Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ava Christina. Today I'm cooking my Congolese style red snapper fish. The ingredients for the spices are 1 large yellow onion, 1 red bell pepper, some habanero peppers, rosemary, ginger, Kinder's The Blend seasoning, Takmon Cajun seasoning, and Takmon Soul seasoning. So every time I cook fish, I like to clean it with lemon juice or distilled vinegar to remove the foul, fishy smell and kill any parasites or germs on the fish. I learned this from watching my mother, and I also like to cut slices into the fish so that the seasonings can really soak into the fish. While cooking, I'm also watching a Christian animation from either JB Animation or Tariva Animation. The characters are so funny and the storyline is super good. I have been hooked since summer of 2023. My best friend Bilal is an artist, producer, and songwriter, so I have one of his best songs, one of my favorites as well. It's called Chaotic Good, playing in the background in the next scenes. Check him out.
Sipping something, I've been getting high on mine. Feeling something faded on the side of mine. Keep it coming, rolling at the sound. In my head sounds light, I admit I am fried, I admit. Sipping something, I've been getting high on mine. Feeling something faded on the side of mine. Keep it coming, rolling at the sound. If you need somebody, I am somebody. Sipping something, I've been getting high on mine. Feeling something faded on the side of mine. Keep it coming, rolling at the sound. If you need somebody, I am somebody. Sipping something, I've been getting high on mine. Feeling something faded on the side of mine. Keep it coming, rolling at the sound. If you need somebody, I am somebody. Sipping something, I've been getting high on mine. Feeling something faded on the side of mine. Keep it coming, rolling at the sound. If you need somebody, I am somebody. If I let you in, it's cause I like what I see in your mind. I'm an undercover lover, in your eyes I know you're lying. Just another part of my psyche, you can see it in my design. I'm a Taurus born like wavy, peep my wrist, you can see my sign. My sign, my time, my ride. I'm higher on life, supplying the Gaia. I'm floating down Forest Lane in the whip of Mariah. Alright. If you had to take a chance on me and you, I don't look twice, I double down. Double dose is 101, that's just how I speed. And my wrist track of time. It's liquid how I feel, I'm free flowing like a tide. She fly with the fish, she live in the mix. I can see it's timeless and vision irony. And ain't no other vibe that can match my raw synergy. Chaotic good energy. Sipping something, I've been getting high on mine. Feeling something faded on the side of mine. Keep it coming, rolling at the sound. If you need somebody, I am somebody. Sipping something, I've been getting